If at any time the TR Multicoax Series connector is showing poor performance as a unit or within a single channel, attempt to troubleshoot the device to find the source of the problem. This video will provide some troubleshooting techniques. Remove the TR Multicoax Series connector from the PCB. Wipe the board mounting surface using a lint-free cleaning cloth. Apply a few drops of isopropyl alcohol to the cloth if particles are not easily removed. Then dry the PCB with another lint-free cloth. Reinstall and retest the device. If the problem remains, proceed to step 3. Remove the interface. This procedure is covered in our video, TR Interface Removal and Replacement, which is found on our YouTube channel. Once the interface is removed, clean the TR Multicoax Series block thoroughly with a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol. To avoid damage to the contacts, do not wipe down or touch the face of the removed interface. Compressed air can also be used to remove debris from the block or interface. When applying compressed air, aim directly at the face of the block or interface to avoid damaging the connector. Reconnect and retest the TR Multicoax Series connector. If the problem remains, please contact support at ardentconcepts.com for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for help solving your application challenges.